Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Plant Pathology Pathshala. So in this video we will discuss about DAMs, damage associated molecular patterns. In the previous video we have already covered about PAMs, the pathogen associated molecular pattern, MAMs, that is microbe associated molecular patterns, then the receptor that recognizes the DAM, PAM, MAMs, that is the PRR, pattern recognition receptor, PRR, the membrane receptor present in the plant. So now in detail we will discuss about the DAMs. So first about the definition. So DAMs are endogenous host derived molecule released from damaged or stressed plant cell that activate innate immunity. So this MAMP as well as PAMP, the pathogen associated molecular pattern, as well as the microbe associated molecular pattern, that are exogenous, that are pathogen derived. But here the DAMs are endogenous host derived molecules. How it is released? It released either due to damage or stress in the plant cell, and that further act as molecule that activate the innate immunity. So damaged cells of plant release the DAM that in turn activate innate immunity. So source of DAMs are generated during either wounding or pathogen invasion, or during the herbivore attack, or during the abiotic stresses. So these are the factors or sources that generate DAMs, that is the damage associated molecular patterns. So during wounding or pathogen or herbivore attack, or during the abiotic stress, some damage occur in the plant cell. Due to damage, some fragments or some damaged molecule of the plant release that act as triggering molecule and activate the innate immunity. Next, about the procession of DAMs. So how this DAMs molecule are recognized by the receptor, that is a common receptor, pattern recognition receptor, the PRR molecule, and ultimately it trigger damage triggered immunity, DTI. Previously the PAMs as well as the MAM that recognized by PRR, and they are triggering PTI, the pattern triggered immunity. But here the DAMs molecule, when recognized by the PRR, it triggered DTI, damage triggered immunity. So first the plant cell will be damaged either by during wounding or due to the attack of pathogen as well as any herbivore, or by or due to the abiotic stresses. They release some fragments, some cell wall fragments or something that act as DAM. So DAM molecule will be released, and then this DAM molecule will be recognized by the plant receptor itself, and they finally trigger the DTI, the damage triggered immunity. Next, about the defense responses triggered by DTI. So here are the chain of reactions or multiple defense responses that are triggered by DTI or damage triggered immunity are calcium influx, then ROS burst, that is due to the overproduction of reactive oxygen species, then activation of the signaling cascade or transduction pathway, that is MAP kinase, then callose deposition and lignin deposition that strengthen the cell wall, then defense gene expression means transcriptional modification, then SAR, the systemic acquired resistance. So these are the downstream responses that activated or triggered by the DTI. Then the significance of DAMs. Why these DAMs are important? Very important that it amplifies the defense at infection or wound site. At the wound site itself, it act as the local immune response. Okay, act as first line of defense. Then work synergistically with PTI. So it acts as a support with the PAM triggered immunity. Then strengthen overall immune response and help to restrict the pathogen spread. So this is all about the DAM molecule in brief. Then example of DAMs. So there are three categories are there for DAMs. First is the cell wall fragments. So during the wounding or during herbivore attack or pathogen attack, breakage of the cell wall occur. So cell wall fragment will be released, that are the cell wall oligomers that are released during cell wall degradation during pathogen attack. So first example is the cell wall oligomers. Then some apoplastic proteins like Systemin, they also act as DAM. Then structurally these are structural things, apoplastic and cell wall. Another one is structurally unrelated molecule, that is eATP or eNADs. This also act as DAM molecule. When any wounding or any damage occur, these molecules are released that are perceived by the PRR, and ultimately it trigger DTI, damage trigger immunity. So this is all about DAM, its significance, its importance, its defense mechanism, how it is produced, and ultimately about the examples, that is cell wall fragment, apoplastic protein like Systemin, and structurally unrelated molecules like eATP and eNADH. In the next video, we will discuss about PTI and ATI. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.